know that some progress has been made. The worst is behind us. There seems to be some common ground opening up between the JFF and the senior reggae boys. I want to jump the gun this evening and get directly to the healing and reconciliation process. We know this has been a bruising negotiation process. We know that some feelings get hurt and some egos get bruised. But for God's sake, we are all trying to get Jamaica qualified for the World Cup. So just put on the feelings behind you. Yeah, JFF, no bother with the vindictiveness. Yeah, Andre Blake is the goalkeeper of the team. He's the captain and leader of the team. Don't bother carrying up ill feelings towards the youth. Same thing for Damian Lowe, a veteran defender now, and an integral part of the team. Let us just leave the bad feelings behind. Yes, Bala, we know you don't like the JFF. Yeah, but guess what? You are not representing the JFF. You are representing yourselves and your country, trying to qualify for the biggest show on earth. Yes. So make we just dash away all of the bad feelings, all of the fans who were on that side and the ones who were on that side. Everybody just come together now and let us support the reggae boys in their quest to qualify for Qatar 2022 as we get there in peace, love, and unity. How me sound? How the Maverick sound? Like a peacemaker though. I am a man of peace.